What's up, guys? Let's get right into charting together. Completely did nothing beforehand, so you guys get to see exactly what I do and the process that I go through for charting. So I am bearish for next week and also for the coming months of the market, and hopefully I am right because I am going to add to my position once Friday or Monday hits. We might get a little more upside on Friday from what I think. But if you guys watched our prior videos or subscribe to the newsletter, which is free, just go on chancetrades.com, you know that we have been, and I could go to the chart here on the macro layout, we have been waiting for it to tag a certain level. And I am not too sure if it tagged or very, very close to being tagged. So we have this level here at 4087. So this is where I am looking, and I know it's a wide gap. This is probably like a 80-point move gap, but we are nearing the top of this huge wedge that I am seeing. Even if I am wrong in terms of this being a corrective move, I still think that we get significant downside after this 5 wave up. So if you're into Elliott wave, you know that we will still retrace after a 5 wave up. And here we're within the 61 and 78 retracement, but I do think that we will get some downside, potentially a little more upside, but I am going out further in terms of monthly puts. So again, we have that going on, but at the same time from closerputs.com, and again, guys, we have a sale going on right now for Black Friday. Code is BF20, capital letters BF20. Closerputs.com. If I were to pull up just the ETFs, but here again, you see IWM and QQQ puts, and that's a pretty big size for January. I'm not sure if it's 100% opening, but they're golden for a reason. This one is an opening for sure, this QQQ one for December 12th. So, and also we got some yesterday, I believe. So I am looking for downside this upcoming month, and I will continue to add as we continue to see all of these divergences across the board. I still think we don't break this peak, but I could be proven wrong. This 405075. So I am looking to short, and I will continue to look to add to shorts further down the road. VIX is within a huge weekly demand level, so it might take some time for it to react, but I am looking for it to react sometime soon. Mainly watching ES because sometimes VIX and the market does not correlate. We've seen this recently with the dollar and everything else just not correlating at all. But across the board, we believe that the Fed will continue to be hawkish. I know a lot of this movement up was due to the Fed potentially pivoting. So certain important dates to remember, I believe next week, Wednesday, we got Jay Powell speaking. And then December 4th, I think, is the CPI print and more economic data. So I think that is where we will get some movement. If we just look at here, just some super basic things, we got volume profile. We have a lot of volume profile up here. Bollinger Bands on the daily, I believe we're already near the top. Yeah, so we are near the top. And then the 200-day SMA is right here. So everything across the board is just signaling to me that we get some downside. In terms of what we took today, again, if you guys want alerts, feel free to join. All prices are going up at the end of the year to at least around double the price. So here, this one's a losing trade. Again, it's a lotto, just going to let it sit. Great day today, no need to kill it. But we took SPX strangles. We got out both sides for a profit. 5 trades today, 150 on SPX puts, 23% on SPY puts, 64% on SPX puts, and Tesla open up 4%. This Tesla put currently is down, I think 30%. This one's a long-term SPY put that is I think probably down around 5 to 10% currently. But again, these were the trades that I did intraday, and these were with swing in mind. So not really counting these too much into it. I mean, it is a loss as of right now, but I am still in it. And this is a put that's going all the way until March, I believe. So can't really factor that in. Great day today. Again, if you guys want to trade together, make sure to join before the year end. And there's a sale going on right now until Monday the 28th. So make sure you do not miss out on the sale. I think that might be the only sale, or maybe Christmas, before we raise the prices. But yeah, come join the right team. And again, bearish for the market this upcoming week and for the following month. I do not see anything for bulls right here. I will not. It will be really foolish of me to go long now at this time. And we also got this huge trend line, which is just like a common sense, like, you know, be careful because you might get some reaction here. If we do break out of this, then I do think that you get some sort of melt up, and we're probably going to make a new all-time high if we are successful in going above this. But everything just looks way, 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 way too bearish for me at this point. If we get some confirmation break above here, then we will potentially make a new all-time high. But as of right now, pattern remains, and I think we get some downside at least probably until something like that down here. But I do think that we end with SPX touching around 320 levels. Anyways, have a great one. I'm about to have dinner, so thank you guys for watching, and subscribe to the newsletter. It's free, chancetrades.com. Take advantage of the sale if you want, and that's all. Happy Thanksgiving, y'all. Bye.